This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the art of cooking for one or two. Whether you're in a cozy apartment or simply cooking for yourself, we have easy and healthy recipes perfect for small servings that won't sacrifice flavor or nutrition. Cooking for yourself can often feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Let's start with breakfast. Try making overnight oats. Combine rolled oats with your choice of milk, a teaspoon of chia seeds, and a handful of berries. Refrigerate overnight, and you'll have a ready-to-eat, nutritious breakfast for the morning rush. For lunch, how about a refreshing quinoa salad? Cook quinoa according to the package, then mix with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a bit of feta cheese. Dress it with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and enjoy a light yet filling meal. Dinners can be quick and delightful too. Consider a stir-fry. Sauté your favorite veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots with tofu or chicken. Add a splash of soy sauce and some ginger for added depth of flavor. In just a few minutes, you'll have a wholesome dinner ready to enjoy. Snacks can be healthy and satisfying. Try apple slices with peanut butter or yogurt with a sprinkle of granola. These options are easy to prepare and perfect for an afternoon energy boost. Don't forget about meal prepping small portions. Make a batch of soup or chili and freeze individual servings. It's a perfect solution for those days when you don't feel like cooking but crave a homemade meal. Planning is key when shopping for one or two. Buy versatile ingredients like eggs, vegetables, and grains that can be used in multiple dishes. Exploring new recipes can keep your meals exciting and varied, preventing kitchen monotony. Cooking for one or two can be enjoyable and rewarding. With these tips and recipes, you'll have delicious meals and less food waste, all while supporting a healthy lifestyle. Remember, the key is simplicity and choosing ingredients that make your taste buds happy. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to subscribe for more culinary inspiration. Until next time, enjoy cooking and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.